Hey, good evening. Welcome back to RunningWeatherman.com. I'm meteorologist Alex Liggett with a weather update here on the Thursday evening. And it is actually a very mild Thursday evening if you're in the D.C. area. Let's take a look at this big area of low pressure. This thing is giant, just hugging the Great Lakes. We have the cold front just off to the west currently. We've had that warm air way ahead of it. Temperatures today were in the upper 50s in the D.C. area. We're expecting big changes through the day tomorrow. Expect high temperatures only in the upper 30s by tomorrow afternoon. I think we'll really be falling as we head through the overnight hours. Temperatures probably the warmest at midnight tomorrow morning, probably 12:01. We'll have a midnight high for the day tomorrow. Highs probably around 50 degrees. As we head through the next 24 hours or so, you can see that little area of green there in the northern portions of Virginia, also through West Virginia. That's where we can see the chance for a few flurries for the overnight hours. Otherwise, I think it will be okay. It'll be generally dry as we head through the early morning hours. I think the morning commute should be dry but breezy and a lot colder. Wind gusting probably 35 to 40 miles per hour in some places. Also, those temperatures will be back through the 30s. Highs again tomorrow only probably in the upper 30s by tomorrow afternoon. And I think it will be a nice chilly weekend ahead of us as well. Now here's as we look into Saturday morning. Still have some breezy winds, still have a tight little pressure gradient. These are the isobars, these little areas of black, these black lines there. Those are probably still kind of tightly packed, so we'll have the chance for some gusty, breezy winds. The temperature is only going to be in the 20s at the time, so it's going to feel even colder. Not a great Saturday to head out for your morning run. I'm not too happy I have to do 14 that morning, but oh well, you got to get it done, right? Then high pressure will filter in briefly Saturday afternoon before a little weak Clipper system tries to bring in a little chance for a flurry come Sunday afternoon to the region. But I think it will really be isolated, a few and far between. But overall, a chilly weekend ahead. Sunday morning, temperatures only in the lower 20s to start the day. Highs probably in the mid to upper 30s by the afternoon. Looking ahead to next week, brief warm-up on Monday. That's ahead of the next system that brings through some heavy rainfall through the day on Tuesday. And look, behind that, once again, we have those colder temperatures filtering back into the region. Looks like we'll have a wintry end to next week. I'm not saying snowfall, but it'll feel like winter with temperatures back in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees.